2008, that's when this project started from my perspective, with a team put together the concept for the OSIRIS-REx Laser Altimeter. So we had a number of steps to get through before we actually had a mission, but that was the beginning of it.
And liftoff of OSIRIS-REx.
Fall of 2016 was when we launched the mission, so that was definitely one of the highlights.
The most exciting thing about this project for me personally has certainly been the launch. There's nothing like being down in Florida to see a launch, and I was fortunate to take my family with me.
Launches are always fantastic to watch, and it's really one of the big milestones of any mission, and when you actually see the equipment you've been part of developing for so long take off into space, it's like the start of the next real phase. In December of 2018, when we got close to the asteroid, we turned our instrument on for the first time. We saw data come back, so that's when you know you have a functional instrument. We saw everything was fine and the instrument was performing. Well, 2020 is when we actually went down to the surface of the asteroid and grabbed the sample. So, our part of the mission was primarily the instrument and all of that data that we took, which was important in actually getting the spacecraft down to the sample and grabbing a sample and bringing it back.
The SRC has entered the Earth's atmosphere.
September 2023, I was in Utah with the team waiting for the canister to come back from Bennu and land in the desert of Utah. Ultimately, the canister landed and it was just a perfect result, and we got twice as much sample back as we expected.
Experiencing maximum heating and maximum deceleration.
I'm very excited about receiving a sample. We've got everything all ready to go. Our measurement role is to measure the thermal properties of the sample. We're using the atomic force microscope to measure thermal conductivity. The asteroid itself is 500 meters in diameter, but we're looking at a sample that's only a millimeter or two in size.
With samples like this, one of the big things you're hoping to learn is to understand what the characteristics were of the larger body that was disrupted and reaccumulated into an asteroid. And so some of the properties of interfaces and the really fine scale properties can tell you a lot about the formation of these materials in a body that no longer exists. So when we finished the OSIRIS-REx mission last September and dumped the satellite into the desert of Utah, we still had a lot of fuel left in the spacecraft. This is because the navigation team did such a wonderful job around Bennu. So that spacecraft is now a new mission. It's called OSIRIS-APEX. So it's heading to another asteroid. This asteroid we'll get to in 2029. And we expect that the OSIRIS-REx Laser Altimeter will repeat its great job of measuring the surface, essentially the shape of the asteroid, in 2029, and we'll have some more results by then.